Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change idle screensaver for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. You have to start by open JBL ONE application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see it at the device list and you need to tap at your speaker. Scroll down and right here in the screen display we have screensaver. So tap at this line and now we can set screensaver. So right here you can also check at the screen how it look like. So let's say I want this one, and now I know how it look like, or maybe this one. Just tap at the best one for you. I guess this one is the best one for me, and if your speaker will idle for 10 minutes, this screen change to selected one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.